Sound samples of a late 70s, early 71 Epiphone ET270 guitar with 1960s EKO Italian-made pickups. Playing through a 5F4 amplifier with a little bit of compression, a little bit of digital reverb, and using an AC booster for some dirt. Neck pickup. Neck and bridge pickup in series. Bridge pickup. Now I'm going to roll the treble all the way off. And I'm going to use this switch here, which puts a .022 capacitor in series with the pickup and adds a very kind of nasal sound to the guitar. There you have it. An EKO, 60s EKO pickups inside of a Epiphone ET270 guitar.